we are at 23rd floor. So unit 1. Okay, unit 1. Okay. So thank you so much for our host who have has us as guest dito sa place na ito. Okay. So the light please. Can you open the light, guys? Nice. Right. So this will be our temporary home here at Ipoh, the Haven. Ayan. Okay, so basically this will be our living room. This is our dining room. As you can see, nandiyan na yung mga food namin. We have iron board, we have microwave, we have a complimentary water. Tapos meron tayong kettle. We have fridge, Okay, at ayan. So okay, ano kaya to? Close yan. So ito, we have TV. At this unit, meron siyang 3 bedroom. Yeah. So ayan. 3 bedroom. We have this. Ang 1 bedroom na to, meron siyang own toilet and bath. Okay, folks, we are at Ipoh. And this is the common toilet and bath, I guess. Then this is the second room. Ayan. So may 2 double bed din itong second room. May wardrobe. And this is the third room. Meron siyang single bed. Ayan, may single bed. Ayan. And we do have here a good do we really have a mountain view, guys? Oh, I think this is the mountain that we saw afar, Oh, tomorrow, folks, and we have a lake also, but it's dark. Tomorrow, mga peeps, we do have a mountain view. Alright, so that's it, we will just post, we will just keep posting dito sa aming, road trip and staycation sa Ipoh, Malaysia. Thank you very much for watching, folks. Okay, kami, dinner. Dito na kami nag-dinner. Medyo malayo-layo kasi ito sa center ng Ipoh, So what we have here is kami, pack na lang kami ng tapaw kami ng mga sushi. Sushi kami. Ayan, mga sushi set.
Guys, gusto niyo palamig muna nila.
Pwede rin. Tapos yung mga boys, nag-order sila ng corn dog. Here's the corn dog. So ito na yung namin, dinner namin. Anyway, marami mga 24-hour shop, but maybe mga 15 or 10 minutes drive away from this location. Ayan, so ito yung balcony access natin from living room. At ang view natin dito ay mountain. Nasa 23rd floor tayo at nasa middle building tayo ng 3 building ditong The Haven at Ipoh, Malaysia. Ayan, ito yung isang building. Ayan yung mountain dyan. Tapos ito naman yung isang building. Ayan yung mga mountain, yung mountain na maliit dyan, hill. At meron tayo ritong lake view, may swimming pool view. Again, nandito tayo sa The Haven, Ipoh, Malaysia. Although siya 20 minutes drive to Ipoh Center, napakaganda rito at may mga 5 minutes drive dito na mga shops, kainan at convenience shop, small grocery na pwede nating bilhan ng ating mga pangangailangan. Kaya nga kagabi, before we arrive here, nag take out na kami, nagtapaw na kami ng mga for dinner namin at saka mga food na pwede naming mga for snacks. So we will be here for 2 nights, 3 days. At mamaya magwo-walk ako. Ayun, may mga tao doon, nagwo-walk doon. Ayan, tignan natin kung yung view ng mga lakarin dyan. Ayun, may mga pathway dyan. At tingnan natin yung surrounding area ng lugar na ito. So, ito yung unit namin mga peeps. Ito, may tatlong elevator. Tapos ito yung view dito. So, ang likod pala nitong mga building na ito is mga housing dito sa Ipo. And I'm not sure kung yun yung nakikita natin, yun yung Ipo Center or dito. But ito marami mga pa-housing dito, ano? Ayan. Okay. So, ito ang view natin sa 23rd floor ng Haven. By the way, nandito tayo sa sa Ipo, Malaysia. Ayan. So, yan siya. Okay. So, back tayo rito. At ito yung unit namin right after ng paglabas mo sa lobby. Ayan po, second day namin dito sa Ipo, Malaysia. At first time ko maggamitin itong aking selfie stick sponsored by Aya. Ayan, nanginginig na lang yung kamay ko. So stroll kami dito sa surrounding area ng The Haven. Let's see what we can find dito. At share na rin kami ng mga photo. So ito, as we step out from the lobby. Okay, so they make use of the ano yung mga pwedeng gamitin dito. So this is yung kanilang lobby. They also have Christmas tree here. Yan. Okay. Okay, ito yung dalawa. I guess we will start here.
Bike rental, oh.
Bike tayo.
Pwede.
Pwede.
Tignan, saan magbabike kaya? Alright, ito yung pinaka-entrance. This is where we park. At mag-walk tayo rito.
Nakapunta doon, ah.
Okay. Dito kami ngayon, We will going to stroll dito sa area. Okay, dito kami ngayon sa trail. Okay. Ng resort pa rin where we stay, Ayan. So walk lang kami rito, ikutin one round. Ito yung surround ng lake. May trail surround ng lake.
Oh, the light too.
Alright. Ano bang klaseng rock daw to? Why it's so famous? Ayan. So ito na yung ito na yung nasa kabilang side na kami ng lake. This is what we can see here. Mamaya maganda rin yung picture doon sa siguro may infinity rin sila view eh. Ayan. Alright. Farther ito pa yung farther view rito sa yan yung where we stay diyan sa middle. Ayan middle building. So maganda rin tong rock formation nito Yan. So morning walk. Mabuti nga late medyo cloudy kaya hindi mainit. Yan, hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast mga peeps. Mamaya na kami magbe-breakfast siguro. Okay, ito yung kaya namin. Alright. Yan. Okay, we keep walking around here, around the area nitong Sweet Resort. Sweet Resort. Ayan. So this is where we came from Ayan, may pavilion din doon. Doon may infinity pool doon. Makaligo mamaya. Alright, so again, nandito tayo sa The Haven, Ipo, Malaysia, mga peeps. At we will be staying here for 2 nights and 3 days. And let's continue. This is the end of the trail. We're back where we came from. Ito yung tatlong building. 1, 2, 3. This is where are we staying, 23rd floor. Ayan, kaya Looks like they have a cafe here, guys, oh. May turtle. Ito yung view natin sa ano. Yan, ito yung view. Okay. This little fellow amazes the boys. Ayun.
He look at me because I raised my hand out. Look at that.
Okay.
Wow, look at the way he keeps his eyes on it.
Ito tayo. Ayan yung ano, inikutan natin kanina. Yan, nasa mountain view tayo.